Hello everyone, this is Pushpa. Welcome to the AutoCAD lecture series by 365 by 12 Consultancy Services. Okay, in this video I am going to explain some of the shortcut keys. I have previously explained some of the uh, shortcut keys, and now in this video I'm going to explain another ones. Okay, in last videos we have seen these commands, and now we are going to see these commands: toggle general features and how to manage screen. If we press Ctrl plus D, we can get the toggle coordinate display. We get the coordinate display. If we type Ctrl plus G, we can get running object snaps, means grid on and off. We can get Ctrl plus H, toggle pick style. We can change the style of the toggle picks. If we type Ctrl plus Shift plus H, then we can hide the palettes, toggle palettes. And if we press Ctrl plus I, we can get the toggle coordinates. If we press Ctrl plus Shift I, toggle infer constraints. Okay. If you want to change do changes in screen, we can use these commands, and these are helpful to us uh, in easing the drawings, or we can easily make drawings and we can save the time. If you press the Ctrl plus 0, we get we get the clean screen, which is not having any ribbon area or anything. We will be having only plain drawing area. By pressing Ctrl plus 1, we will be getting property palette. If you press Ctrl plus 2, we get center palette, and Ctrl plus 3 tool palette we get, and Ctrl plus 4 sheet set palette. By clicking Ctrl plus 6, we get DB Connect Manager, and if we click Ctrl plus 7, Markup Setup Manager will be open. If we press Ctrl plus 8, we can get Quick Calculator, and we get if we click Ctrl plus 9, we get the command lines. So these are the shortcut keys for toggle general features and manage screen. So let us see another ones: manage drawings and manage workflow. If we want to manage our drawings, we can use these shortcut keys. Ctrl plus N, we can open new drawing. Ctrl plus S, save drawing. Ctrl plus O, we can open another drawing, already existing drawing. Ctrl plus P, plot dialog box we can open. Ctrl plus tab, we can switch to next one, and Ctrl plus Shift plus tab, switch to previous drawing. If we have opened another drawing, we can shift. If you want to switch it to previous drawing, we have to click or we have to type Ctrl plus Shift plus tab. Ctrl plus page up, it will give us the previous tab in current. Page down, Ctrl plus page down, it will give the next tab in the current drawing. Ctrl plus Q means exit. Ctrl A, select all objects. If you want to change anything in workflow, we have to type Ctrl plus C. It will copy object. If we type Ctrl plus X, it will be cut object. Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl plus Shift plus C means it will copy to clipboard with base point. If we click Ctrl plus Shift plus V, it will paste the data as block. If we want to undo the action, we have to click on Ctrl Z. If you want to redo, Ctrl plus Y. If you want to cancel current command, Ctrl plus Escape. shortcut key. So now these are the general commands. If we want toggle drawing modes, means these are the functional keys which are helpful to us to manage the toggle drawing modes. If we press F1, it will display help. If we type F2, it will show the toggle text screen. F3 it is object snap mode and F4 is the 3D snap. It will open the cursor in 3D mode, and F5 isoplane it will be opened. By F6 it will open as the dynamic UCS. It will show the coordinates. F7 grid mode will be there. If we type another one, grid mode on, for on and off we use F7, and for ortho mode if we use F8 functional key, and for snap mode we use the F9. For polar mode we use F10. For object snap tracking means it will show the distance from specific point or angle or angle midpoint, all this. So F11. So dynamic input mode will be shown by F12. These are some of the shortcut keys which are helpful in drawing or creating an object in AutoCAD. It will be helpful in saving time, and it makes us easily work with the tools. That's it. Thank you.